Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how I animate with these. So, one of the number one questions that I always get is, Aaron, what kind of drawing utensil should I use? Well, I want to show you today that it really doesn't matter what drawing utensil you use as long as you're drawing. Find something that you're comfortable with and just start drawing. And to prove my point, I want to animate today. I'm going to animate a horse running. And I'm just going to use a box of Crayola crayons, the cheapest thing you can buy at your local store. So let's dive in. So the first thing I like to do is create my two main keys for the run cycle of this horse. So the first one I'm going to do is the stretch drawing, where the horse is all stretched out as far as he's going to go. And then the next drawing is going to be the compression drawing, which is where he has his legs all gathered up underneath him. Those two drawings are going to pave the way for me to finish out all the rest of the drawings in the run cycle. Once I've got the keys done, then it's time to do the breakdowns. Breakdown drawings are a crucial part of the in-betweening process. They help define how a movement happens between the two key poses. Breakdown drawings don't represent a final position like a key pose does. Instead, they show the path of motion or important aspects of the transition between key frames. They help establish the arcs of motion and the timing and the spacing. So once I have my keys and my breakdowns done, then it's time to add all of the in-betweens that are going to smooth out the action. This is where it gets really fun and everything really comes to life. All right, let's go shoot it. So there you have it, Crayola crayons right here. It doesn't matter what you use to draw with. You can use anything as long as you're drawing. As a matter of fact, it was kind of fun using crayons because it got kind of experimental. I got a little wonky thing happening with the tail. I got to fix that. But you know what was really fun was just changing up the colors from drawing to drawing. You know, this one I got the 96 different colors box. And so I'm getting this nice kind of fun strobing of the colors with this running unicorn, which matches a unicorn and rainbow colors and everything. So once again, I wasn't worried about what utensil I was using. Matter of fact, I went to the store and I got this $8 box of crayons and I was able to create something that was really fun. So my point being, don't get hung up on what you're using, just draw. Find something that you like, and if it feels comfortable, if you're having fun with it, then draw. If you're not getting the paper dirty, you're not learning. So I hope you learned something today. Go on out there, put some beauty back into the world, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.